Hey guys, so today's video is going to be another get ready with me, but this one is pretty special. I'll give you a little backstory. This camera is actually really nice. I was really into TVP when I was in high school, which was our television production class, and my teacher was nice enough to let me bring home our cameras and use them to film makeup tutorials. And he was going to let me do my makeup tutorials for YouTube, and he was going to grade them as projects because we had to come up with our own projects. I had filmed this get ready with me. Unfortunately, I was editing it on my old MacBook and it crashed. I thought I lost the footage. I didn't get to turn in the project. I actually almost failed that class because I had no projects to turn in at the end of the year. And yeah, it was just a crazy time. If you guys have been watching my channel for a while, you know I wasn't a big fan of high school, but I will always remember that teacher for believing me and supporting me in my makeup tutorials and my YouTube channel and just really wanting me to do what I love. And I thought I lost this footage, but I actually came across it a couple years ago. I had saved the footage on my desktop, and this video had been fully edited before, and I was really upset about losing it. So I had always had in the back of my head the idea to re-edit and put up this Get Ready With Me as kind of a Throwback Thursday video on Thanksgiving. And I had always said I was going to do it and never got around to it. And I finally did it this year. This year, it's 5 years later. This was in 2013. And I am just so happy I finally put it up. I'm happy I found a no copyright remix, which I linked below, of Ellie Goulding's Light, which is the song I actually put in when I edited it the first time and was going to hand it in as a project. This video is totally cringeworthy, a little awkward, not always in focus or in frame, but I'm so happy I found the footage and that I edited this as a Throwback Thursday video, as something to look back on, and I hope that you guys enjoy it. If you like it, be sure to hit the thumbs up button, comment what you thought or any requests down below, and be sure to subscribe to my channel, my beauty channel, and my vlog channel as well to stay updated on more videos. Thanks for watching, guys, and happy Thanksgiving.